Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, may I bring us straight in a Trinidad and Tobago. A mother is mourning after her daughter and 2 grandchildren were found dead inside a decommissioned water and sewage authority WASA tank in Parla Tuvier, Tobago last night. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear that? Mother in pain as daughter, 2 grandchildren found dead in tank. Wanna see that, my wisdom warriors? What is really going on? Huh? My God. When me see it, me say this is so sad. Me have to come share this with you know. Jesus, like, come on. Come on. Wow. The daughter, look at the lady and her 2 nice picnic them. Look what they do to them. It is so sad. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. The operator of Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James, has secured an ambulance that will be permanently based at the facility to respond to emergency. The unit was provided by Hospitan, a private medical facility with which MBJ Airport has a contractual arrangement for the provision of ambulance service. My wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus. All right. Well, we are going to talk about this say now. Because them say, listen what them say. Them say the unit was provided by Hospitan, a private medical facility. So now, una tell we say, una place an ambulance at the hospital, all right? That's what I tell we say. But the question what I want to ask una, have you guys changed your protocol? Have you guys changed your protocol? Remember, say phone protocol is the people them have to pay $400. So, wanna change on the protocol? And that me have to ask you no. Because taking a picture of the ambulance there, listen to me, wanna have to make sure that the ambulance is in good condition and the ambulance at work. And that we want to make sure, because when you can't take picture and say yes, ambulance did it. And when I hear from the shout, ambulance broke down, or protocol that is in place so people have to pay money where people not have. Listen to me. Anybody can just go park up an ambulance and take picture and say yes, ambulance is in place. My wisdom warriors, it is the health minister Christopher Tufton and Andrew Owen's responsibility to make sure that there's enough ambulance at each hospital. You understand me? It is Christopher Tufton's responsibility and Andrew Owen's responsibility to ensure that there's enough ambulance in the country. Because they are spending so much money on buses, but not on ambulance. The question is why? Is it because the buses them bring in money and the ambulance they're not bringing no money? Well, listen, we have to look into this deep in my wisdom warriors. Remember, say anywhere where money there, no, Andrew there. Me tell you already. Anywhere where money there, Andrew there. This private medical facility is the one that provide the ambulance. So who is going to pay for this? That is the question, Who is going to pay for this? Is it free? We have to ask this question. Putting an ambulance on site is another thing. But is it free? Because I know when I hear them talk about them protocol, the only thing we hear is that them have to follow them protocol, which mean patient or whoever is sick or have an accident or incident have to pay 400 US. So we want to know, when are you guys going to change on a protocol? One of the things that we are idiot boy, yeah? Eh? One of the things that we are idiot boy, yeah? Listen, my wisdom warriors, me always tell you, say, you see, private place mean money. Private mean money. If you don't have no money, not even bother look that the way there. You hear me? This is why that man, Leroy Smith, is still not alive. You understand me? Because of protocol. So we want to come out and talk and explain to we if we not change on the protocol. A call was made on Wednesday by stakeholders in Manchester for more to be done to address violent crimes in the parish. The plea came at a meeting held at the Christiana Primary School, which saw a gathering of residents, community leaders and local representatives. Originally, the event was intended to be a peace walk through the streets of Christiana, but shifted indoors due to heavy rains. So my wisdom warriors, stakeholders them in Manchester call for more to be done on violent crimes. But Andrew Holness don't have any crime plan. You have to remember that, you know. Andrew Holness don't have no crime plan. Andrew Holness did say Jamaica no need no crime plan. He said what Jamaica need is security. You know, so I forgot find that video there. Other day, me buck it up, you know. Other day, me buck it up, my wisdom warriors. Me go do some research and find that video there and come show you. Andrew Holness did say it. Him did say Jamaica do not need any crime plan. He said what Jamaica need is security. This is why I must spend billions in the security. And all them do a kill off the youths them. All them do a kill off the youths them. So listen, you see when you have MPs own funeral home, listen, it only gonna get worse. Because it is alleged that a whole heap of Jamaica Labour Party MP, all heap of them a funeral home, my wisdom warriors. You understand me? All heap of them. So me here, there is allegations out there. You understand me? So if them have funeral home, uno things say, they no want business for run, they no wait there. Uno things say crime a go good on. And these people want them business for up and running. We don't have to go deep, you know. We have to go deep, Jamaica, and think about these things. We have to go deep. But me like how them out anyway and a protest. Me like it. See stakeholders them up and running and I say, this have to stop, you know. This have to stop. The young professional arm of the Jamaica Labour Party, Generation 2000. Lord Jesus. Generation 2000. Why you not go and tell and urge on the Prime Minister fi tell that the one day fi tell Jamaica young or what they want to call themselves, young affiliated or whatever they want to call it, fi go tell the president of young Jamaica fi step down. Why you not go tell Andrew Holness fi tell the president for young Jamaica fi come and tell we how you go with the picnic them up at the school? The sexual offender registry list when they pan. And that you fi come talk about. That is what you fi come talk about. You out here talk about G2K urges Golden to disclose names of PNP. Why Golden fi come out and disclose names of PNP? If PNP is referred, they're not under investigation. Why you not tell Andrew Holness fi come table the report with the 8 thief them when at the report? The 8 Jamaican Labour Party thief. And that you know fi talk about. You know out here every day I text Mark Golden. Me say any day Mark Golden win. All the whole of no goose go cook. So you continue work hard. Continue work hard. Because you go get on and look for. God go deal with you. Remember me tell you. The wicked will never go unpunished. You stay there. You stay there about to follow Andrew Holness. You think that Andrew Holness can save you? You think that Andrew Holness can save you? When judgment come, when God start deal with you one by one, you think that you master can save you? You out here every day trouble people. Why you not go urge Andrew Holness If go table the report so we can see the 8 Jamaica Labour Party thief when at the report. And that if you go tell Andrew Wallace about look a workless set of people, on a workless like, on should have shame on yourself. Go on, come out and tell the Jamaican people about the president of young Jamaica, what he's all about. And that you know if you can't do. But you know out here can urge. Come on, you too. You can't walk in a golden shoes. All fools. You out here distract the Jamaican people and mislead the Jamaican people. But the Jamaican people are finding out slowly but surely. The Jamaican people, them are going to find out, man. No worry. That day is coming very soon, Andrew Wellness. And on G2K 2000, want to call on yourself? Go and urge Andrew Wellness to come and tell us about the president of young Jamaica. My wisdom warriors, you know see the type of people who surround Andrew Wellness? Eh? You see the type of people that surround Andrew Wellness? Them lifestyle dirty and nasty. And them the type of people they surround Andrew Wellness. G2K come out and talk things them man. Cause we know say enough of no lock down in the closet and we things that we don't know. We know what go on. Enough of no lock down in the closet. That's why none of you now come out and talk about some more agreement. Why you not come out and urge Andrew Wellness to come and talk the truth and tell the people them saying legalize. Illegalize Batimanism. Why you not come out and tell the Jamaican people that? You see Uno? You see Uno? My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think. I'm not even waste my time on them. But me just want to know how the G2K behave. You want to see how them behave? Then put out this distraction. You know what? Me see them all put out some fake. Put out a fake letter with Integrity Commission logo on it. And I say, and I call out 2 persons from the PNP party that is part of illicit enrichment. How PNP get the whole of government money? How PNP get whole of government money when uno government gal and boy, uno ministers, uno Senate boy and Senate gal? Desmond Mackenzie, Andrew Owens, none of uno give PNP no money. How PNP get fit uno money when PNP not get no money? How they get a hold of it? Eh? Uno na give PNP money, so how na come mix up PNP in a illicit? A same thing uno do with Dwayne Vaz. Uno make it look like said Dwayne Vaz was part of illicit enrichment when that wasn't the case. Uno look a liar. Uno look a set a wicked. Uno labor right. Uno too wicked man and stay bad. Imagine people out here. People out here. Attack pan phone the behalf and uno come out and make a fool of uno damn self. All uno G2K 2000. Uno worthless man. Uno no want nothing good in a life. Nothing good in a want in a life. Uno don't have no respect for the Jamaican people. No respect whatsoever. And uno have no morals. People like Uno. People like Uno, we don't want Uno to represent us, the Jamaican people. Because Uno lie. Uno go around and lie on public platform. And you honest walk and tell foreign people how the church of Jamaica is evolving. Andrew Wellness go to Britain and go tell Britain how Jamaica church evolve. Mighty God of Daniel. Andrew Wellness go back again and tell them so we have 900 shelters. We have 900 shelters? We have 900 shelters? At this mania, una praise and a defend. Uno labor right. But it come like something wrong with Uno. It come like something wrong with Uno. It come like Uno easily forget things. Uno not remember nothing what Andrew Wellness do. And the person who put a stop into all this was Mark Golding. But no worry, man. Time will tell. Time will tell. Anyway, I want to take in Dayton Campbell. Hear this.
Integrity is unquestionable. Somebody that holds the leadership with clean hands, clean heart, loving and heart to people. Now go down in the spirit because he's making money already. And now he's ready to serve the people of Jamaica. Today we have a leader who represents the PNP bastion of South St. Andrew. Make welcome the next Prime Minister of Jamaica.
warriors, wanna hear that? Andrew Wellness, they not have no clean heart and they not have no clean hands. Them not have that. Them are wicked. How can him have that when he legalize Obia? Wanna forget? Say Andrew Wellness legalize Obia? So how Andrew Wellness if you have clean hands and clean heart and all these things? You don't know how much picnic gone missing. I mean, never hear Andrew Wellness keep a press briefing about that yet. You know how much press briefing Andrew Wellness keep when it come to killing? But when it come to the kids, them I notice. You don't ever notice that all these kids that go missing, you never yet hear them come out and said, a baby has been found. You ever hear that? Nobody never buck up on the picnic them body yet. So where are the missing children? And that we are asking now. Remember, Sir Juliet Cockburn Flynn come out and said there's child trafficking going on in Jamaica, you know. And this is something important where they have to keep briefing about. And they choose not to. So you tell me that this a government care about the Jamaican people? You not tell me that? You not tell me that? My wisdom warriors, right now to how me see it, at the PNP alone, me see care about the Jamaican people. Yeah, and me see that for a good while now. Me see everything with them do, right through the way how them fight for Jamaica. And enough of the things them what Andrew Wellness want to implement. Yeah, I PNP put a stop into it. But no for uno, I don't know. Uno easily forget. Uno easily forget. Uno no remember where Andrew do no. But my wisdom warriors, uno tell me what you think, yeah, man. But guess what I want to know for do you now? I want to take a look at this because remember say Andrew only sent 24 security forces them gone over Haiti. So take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this? Wanna tell me how you feel about it? Because I don't think this is a wise decision. You understand? I don't think because USA no send none of them man gone down there. England no send none of them man. Canada no send none of them man. Wanna notice? Just notice who them send. Police and soldier from Africa gone down there. And then they want the Caribbean them go down there. You know say I kill them one with kill off with black brothers and sisters. You know see what go on? You know see what go on? My wisdom warriors. Andrew Wellness, shame on you. Can you know this? You know what me I talk about. You know this. America said they not send their man go down there. England is the same way. So why? Just look into it. I set them and set we up. I set them and set we up. For kill off with one another. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. You don't have to agree with me, you know. But tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. I want to big up all my members. So I want to big up Chrissy. Chrissy Hutchinson has become a member of this channel. So big up your nice clean self, Chrissy. And Joan, she has joined. Also, Joan, big up yourself. Thank you for becoming a member of this channel. And also, I want to big up Rocktronics. Rocktronics is a member of this channel for a very long time now. Yes, I believe so, yeah, for a very long time. Guys, remember to become a member of this channel, because when I'm going live, I'm only going to go live with members only. However, I will be still uploading videos, all right? Because remember, you know, when you're a member, you get exclusive. So I have to give the members them exclusive videos. That no mean say, me not go upload video. Me still go upload video every single day, all right? Just like and share, subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.